Hi everyone, my name is John from Agilit-e, and today I'm going to show you how to install Helm on your local environment. So just so that you know, Helm is a tool for managing and deploying charts, also known as Helm charts, which are packages that contain pre-configured resources for your Kubernetes environment. So let's get started. So here I have my Windows 10 VM, and I've already opened up my browser to github.com/helm/helm, where you will be able to go and find the latest release of Helm, which you can just go to the install, go to the releases page, and from there the latest version at the moment is 2.14.1, and I'm just going to go and click on the Windows AMD 64. So I've actually done this already, and what it does is it just downloads a zip file that you can extract on your local environment until you get to the same result that I have over here in my downloads folder, which is Windows AMD 64. This is what was extracted, and you can see there's the helm.exe as well as the tiller. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to move this to the C drive in its own Helm folder, and then I'm going to add this to the path so that it's available via command prompt. So the first thing that I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to rename this to Helm, and then I'm going to cut this and I'm going to go to my C drive, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. So there we go, Helm. So the next step is I'm going to right click on this PC, go to properties, I'm going to go to advanced system settings, environment variables, and here under system variables I'm going to find path, and I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, and I'm going to say new, and I'm just going to say C:\Helm. I'm going to click on OK all the way down, and I'm now going to go and open up command prompt. And an easy way to test if the path is being resolved is the prefix that is used is Helm, and all we're going to do over here is we're going to say Helm version, and there we go. It returns the version for us. It obviously cannot connect to a Kubernetes environment at this time because we don't have one set up, but the fact that it did deliver us the current version of Helm on our local environment means that it is being resolved and it can be used in our command prompt. So we are good to go. So that's it for this video tutorial. Until next time, cheers.